やいや普通の高校生でもいやいやカメラを抱きしめりゃエクセレチェンジ夢がポジティブをきらめかせ
A new original story?
No, I don't think so.
Hello? You wanted 3 videos, right?
Huh?
These 3, right?
Oh.
Huh?
Power suits, stop! Pull the machine over to your left. Do it now. Whoa!
You're under arrest!
Shut up!
Hey, stop that at once!
Hello, officers. Have you met my friends? Had enough yet, you stupid cops? Well, crowds are gathering again. Looks like fun time is over. See ya, suckers!
Since the beginning of the year, 26 banks and jewelry shops in the Adachi and Toyoshima areas have been robbed by the Demon Seed. The estimated damage now totals over $90 million. The police have yet to arrest a single person related to this crime spree, and the ensuing chases have caused untold damage to numerous houses and cars. Several civilians have also been injured. At a recent press conference, people questioned government officials. However, they offered no information or answers. Now, on to our next story.
Will you look at those fools? They're all idiots.
Chief? Hey, Chief. Looks like the security camera in the bank got the whole thing on tape.
Can you see the criminals' faces?
We'll just have to watch the video, I guess.
What in the hell is this?
You mean you don't know? She's a top idol now, Katsuri Sonoba.
Is this?
You think you can sneak a peek, but you can't.
Wait a minute. You're telling me this is the tape from the bank?
We haven't gotten the tape from the bank yet. I just rented this downstairs.
Check out her eyes. They're just like Akina Nakamori's.
Ah, you think so too?
You idiots. How can you watch music videos at a time like this? Just what do you think this place is?
I thought this was the Counter Demon Seed Special Agent Headquarters. No?
You should be ashamed of yourselves. You'd think with that title we'd have some power. But the truth is, we're being forced into early retirement. They dumped us here in Ikebukuro in a building full of stupid tenants.
It's really not that bad, Chief. We've got a great video store on the first floor.
And our offices get plenty of sunlight.
True, true. Lots of sun. Especially at sunset. It comes streaming in. In fact, we get the best sunsets in the force. Our future as special agents. Our pay raises and working conditions. Our benefits and our reputations throughout the force all depend on this top-secret project!
But, Chief Hattori, this project is pretty outrageous. Holding auditions to pick people to fight the Demon Seed. Who the hell proposed this crazy idea?
I proposed it. I was drunk when I submitted the project and they approved it anyway! You got a problem with that? I just can't take this cruel world anymore!
Uh-oh. You made him cry, jerk.
So, whatever lucky stiff we pick gets to wear the battle armor?
Ah! Some doctor from some research center is working on it as we speak.
Some research center?
Some doctor? Some?
I did it.
Hello and welcome to today's Hero Audition Finals. Today we have contestants from tournaments all across Japan. There are now 28 remaining finalists. Who will emerge the winner?
Did you really hold tournaments, Mr. Hattori?
Nah, that's a lot of nonsense. This is a matter of utmost urgency, so we simply picked at random.
Today's first challenger is Miss Yoshiko Mikawa.
Wow, she's beautiful.
Let's see what she's made of, though. Could you show us some of your skills, Miss Mikawa?
Miss Mikawa is good at bending iron bars. Let's have a look.
Look at her go. Isn't she great?
No, she's not the one, Mr. Prime Minister. Definitely not. Every time she flexes, she makes that face and bulges up like Stallone or Van Damme. Sure, she's strong, but she's not idle material.
Challenger number 7, Mr. Hideo Oikawa from Hokkaido.
I eat rice!
Yes, thank you. Next we have challenger number 11. And next up is this is the last challenger, number 28. Number 28, please come forward. Looks like she left.
Hey, wait a minute. We still got one more left.
Number 28, are you here? And who are you supposed to be?
I'm number 28. I'm Maron Namikaze from Saitama. I'm a high school senior.
I better quit now before I get fired. She's the only public applicant. Okay, young lady. Tell us, why did you enter these auditions?
Well, I didn't send in the application, but my mother and sister, they did it for me. And they, well, I didn't know about it. And, well, I'm not really interested in any of this. But my mother and sister, they really wanted me to try. So they sent in the application and pushed me. They told me to come and try out. But I am a little interested.
You win! Listen, as of today, you are our last defense against the demon seed! Yeah!
What are you doing? Confetti! Drop the confetti! And balloons!
Sorry about that. We took it down already. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Hey, it's great that we finally have a winner, but shouldn't we have a word from our sponsor first?
You mean a commercial?
Yeah, right.
Huh?
Is the commercial over already?
Yeah.
Seriously, after you see that commercial, you just gotta have one. Isn't there some rule about putting in a live action sequence?
No! That's not it at all! You have to step on the beat! Again, lighter and smoother this time. You can do that, right?
Yes.
You're a dancer, not a hippo. Now prove to me you're a girl and do it cuter, all right? All right, once more. Start from 10 to 10.
Okay.
Yes, 10 to 10, 10, 10. Tap the rhythm. 1, 2, and 1, 2.
People hate the police more and more every day.
Of course they do.
No matter how we fight against the demon seed, there will always be some kind of damage done.
That's right. We fight and there's damage.
But even if we send Marin in, it'll be the same.
Just a sec. Let me explain. The riot police go out there, tear up the city, fail to capture the demon seed, and cause the people nothing but trouble. But we're going to send out our secret weapon, the cute little idol singer Maron, to fight the demon seed. Now you tell me which one the public's going to like better. Come on, it's a no-brainer. They're gonna love her. Her costume is on its way. I mean her battle suit. We're creating the perfect crime-fighting super idol.
Oh. So when will she make her debut?
Let's not rush things. Listen very carefully. Make sure all the others realize that Maron is our future. So, don't rush her and give her time to develop.
I heard that this house is a hideout for the demon seed.
It's so creepy and scary looking. Bad guys always live in a place like this. Look there. Their name is even Demon.
If this is for real, that'd be so awesome.
No one knows this is my house. Even the gods don't notice.
Doctor, we've finished bringing it all in.
Well done.
But what are you going to do with this much money?
Divide it up and spend it all.
Can we really, Doctor?
When money is spent foolishly, it truly shines. As for money, I, the genius Dr. Kyozoboro Demon, can get as much as I want, anytime I want. If I have an idea, my brain will perfect it, and my skills will make it a reality.
Hear, hear! Well said! Long live the Doctor! Oh, hooray!
That's our
Hooray for the Doctor!
Hello, Tokyo Police. It is I, Demon. I am going to tell you where we will attack next.
Hello? Who is this?
Hey, don't act stupid. Listen carefully.
Okay, I'm listening. And I'm taking notes down, too.
Hot soup coming right up. Where's that delivery going?
Wrong number. But he left a pretty serious message. Maybe I should try to pass this on to whoever he was trying to call. What do you think?
All right. Now we know when Maron will make her debut. That's May 5th at noon. In the museum on the 6th floor of the Ikebukuro store?
The museum?
Well, that's a strange place to do it, isn't it?
You know why? That's the day the Mew Imperial Treasure exhibit is opening. The Demon Seed have announced that that's where they'll attack next.
The Demon Seed are going to attack?
Why are you sending Maron into a dangerous situation like that?
Are you stupid? The reason we chose her was to fight the Demon Seed, you imbecile! Just because she's practicing dancing and singing doesn't mean she's really a pop idol!
I forgot.
What are those idiots thinking?
Thank you. Nice to meet you all. I am Ryohei Shimokobe. I've brought the super strength battle armor, which has just been completed.
Why the hell did you have to throw a grenade?
I just followed the script here.
See? He didn't have to do that. It's not nice.
Crybaby, get over it. Get Maron in here. We have to fit her for the suit.
No, I got it. Hello?
What? Do I really have to wear this?
This is your battle suit, made of an electric fiber which I developed. Now remember, you'll need an 8-hour charge for 30 minutes of use. Now this switch turns it on. Electricity creates a barrier between the two pieces and protects your skin. Just like that. See, it works beautifully. Goochie.
Her erogenous zones are protected, but her sensitivity is still very acute.
What are you writing in there?
What a strong girl. Let me explain the development process. This inelegant design was from before the auditions. However, when I found out the winner was a girl, I decided to change it to look like this.
That was a simple explanation.
How does it fit, Maron?
I'm pretty embarrassed.
How comfortable is embarrassed, would you say?
Well, it's not like it's a total failure.
There's no room for failure. Even if you're active day and night, you won't have to worry. You'll have complete protection. You'll always feel as fresh as a summer's eve.
Summer's Eve?
Huh.
He's gonna say something.
Ever get that not-so-fresh feeling?
That's just what I was gonna say!
Those two are hopeless.
Let's see. My first line is, oh, well, first I have to face front.
You'll do fine, just fine. You trained a lot, remember?
You think so?
You'll be okay. We'll be right behind you. If something happens, we'll take care of it.
Hey, the chief is on his way.
All right.
Excuse me, but can I go to the bathroom?
Of course you can.
5 times since this morning. She looks pretty nervous, huh?
Hey, what are you writing now?
Is it true that you're about to debut the latest weapon in the battle against the Demon Seed? And that you've held auditions for it? That seems a little irresponsible for such an important project, don't you think, officer?
You have government backing, right?
Look, guys, let me make this perfectly clear to you. Even if we spent $30 or even $40 million, people will still get bored.
That's what you really think?
Just look at the $30 million dojo troopers, or the $40 million cement 4. Worthless! All that money and no progress. Success should always be the first priority. Come noon today, keep your eyes open. When those lowlives, the Demon Seed, finally attack, the legend of Maron's superheroine will begin. So long.
That's so cool.
More seconds. 7, 6.
I'm going to the bathroom.
There's no time.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A power suit robbery attack.
They're very punctual.
There's another one over here!
They're all mecha.
The ancient Mu-era Imperial treasure is ours for the taking.
That was a great line reading, Doctor.
Of course it was. The best actor always plays the villain. Grab it all.
All right, Maron. Attack! What's wrong, Maron?
I'm scared.
Don't lose your confidence, Maron. You'll be fine. You were born with superhuman strength and amazing talent. Now use it!
You think so?
Believe in yourself. I know you can do this.
What's going on? No opposition today? Those cowards. I guess the idiots finally realize they have no hope of stopping us.
I'll do it.
Maron.
Chief, I'll do my best and give it my all.
All right.
Take this too. Only the back room is left. We'll take the statue of the Queen too.
Yeah!
Get lost! You're gonna get hurt, little girl! Wow, he's smoking!
What, you punk?
Take this!
Huh? Who the hell is she?
You did it, Maron! You did it!
Now it's time for the big finale!
I'm Maron Namikaze. It's nice to meet all of you!
Those robots are getting their asses kicked by a girl.
The demon seed's getting clobbered. Yeah, that's right. We've got pictures. Yeah, that's right.
Doctor! I think we better eat Chief for now.
Nice to see you all. Thanks for stopping by.
Chief, she did it! She pounded them! We kicked their butts!
Well, it's sure nice to win, but...
Hello, this is the special... Yeah, yes, I understand. Yes, I know. we apologize for that.
Looks like she had a $30 million debut after all.
Chief! A call from the Mute Preservation Group.
It's some women's group.
Tokyo Police on the line.
Hello? This is special... Yes? Yes? Please hold on for a minute. Hey, Chief, it's the Prime Minister. Chief, please, answer the phone.
Take this call. This one's first.
What? This one's first.
This one called first, you idiot.
This is the Tokyo Police.
Are you nuts? This is the Prime Minister.
How dare you call me
Because
nuts?
you are.
What did you say?
Chief, here's the Prime Minister.
Some women's group.